This model shows a Type S underdrain installation. This would be a center flume with 3 underdrain. The first thing you would do is go ahead and install your anchor rods. And this is a U-rod. The U-rod would be installed over the flume to add support strength to the flume area. As you can see here, the first layer of grout that's poured is called your base grout. Your base grout is used for leveling the underdrain and to hold it in place. After a day, after all the filters installed, the fill grout's installed with a little runnier grout. It gets put in between the underdrain block and it's filled up to the top. Prior to the underdrain being installed, if air is going to be added to your filter, you want to make sure that your air is installed first. If we look down here, this is actually a J-riser system where the air is fed underneath inside the flume. The air pipe goes perpendicular to the laterals, and J-pipes actually go up inside the primary section of the underdrain. The second option for air is overhead air. If you want to add air later in your filter, overhead air is a good option. This shows 3 different options of overhead air that could be used inside your filter. After your air's been installed and after your block's been installed, you're basically ready for media. After media is installed, you're ready for filtration.